Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's episode, we're exploring a topic that's as fascinating as it is sobering: the possible ways humanity could face extinction. We'll delve into both natural and man-made threats that could end human existence, backed by scientific insights and expert opinions. Let's explore these scenarios and understand our vulnerabilities and the resilience of human life. Part 1. Natural causes of extinction. First, let's talk about natural events beyond our control that could potentially end human life on Earth. These catastrophic phenomena have occurred throughout Earth's history and remain potent threats to our survival. Understanding these can help us better prepare for and perhaps mitigate their effects. Asteroid impact. An asteroid impact, similar to what is believed to have caused the extinction of the dinosaurs, remains a plausible threat to humanity. These space rocks, hurtling through space at incredible speeds, can have devastating impacts if they collide with Earth. We'll discuss the probability of such an event and what current space agencies like NASA and the European Space Agency are actively doing to track near-Earth objects. These agencies use ground-based telescopes and space-based sensors to monitor the skies, cataloging asteroids that could pose a threat. Understanding the size, trajectory, and potential impact of asteroids is crucial, as it helps us prepare for possible deflection strategies, like gravity tractors or kinetic impactors, to avoid catastrophic outcomes. The aim is to either change the asteroid's path or break it into smaller pieces less likely to cause significant damage. Supervolcanic eruptions. Next, supervolcanoes. Though dormant for thousands of years, an eruption today could plunge the Earth into a volcanic winter, affecting global agriculture and leading to mass starvation. The effects of such an eruption would be far-reaching, impacting climate, food supply, and overall biodiversity. Unlike regular volcanic eruptions, supervolcanic events can spew massive amounts of volcanic ash and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, creating an aerosol veil that blocks sunlight and lowers global temperatures. We'll explore historical examples of massive eruptions like the Toba catastrophe theory, which suggests a supervolcano eruption around 75,000 years ago may have caused a global volcanic winter and drastically reduced the human population. Understanding these geological time bombs helps in monitoring their activity and preparing evacuation strategies that could mitigate their impact on human civilization. Gamma-ray bursts. We'll also touch on gamma-ray bursts, cosmic events that could strip away the Earth's atmosphere in an instant if one were directed our way. These bursts are intense waves of gamma rays, emanating from events like supernovae or the collision of neutron stars. They are the most powerful explosions observed in the universe, releasing as much energy in a few seconds as the sun will emit over its entire lifetime. While the odds of a direct hit on Earth are low, the potential consequences would be globally devastating, leading to the breakdown of the atmospheric structure and a dramatic increase in ultraviolet radiation reaching the surface. This increase could destroy the ozone layer, resulting in unfiltered solar radiation hitting the Earth, leading to catastrophic effects on life. By studying these phenomena, scientists aim to understand the mechanics of these bursts and assess the risk they pose to life on Earth. Part 2. Man-made causes of extinction. Now let's shift our focus to the threats from within, those caused by human actions, from the proliferation of nuclear weapons to the unintended consequences of technological and scientific advancement. We are often our own greatest risk. Let's explore some of the ways our own innovations might lead to our undoing. Nuclear warfare. The threat of nuclear warfare and its potential to create a nuclear winter remains one of the most dire and immediate man-made threats to human survival. The use of nuclear weapons could lead to catastrophic environmental consequences, including a drastic drop in global temperatures caused by the soot and ash propelled into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight. This nuclear winter scenario would lead to widespread crop failures and a significant reduction in agricultural productivity, potentially leading to mass starvation and societal collapse. Additionally, the radioactive fallout could render large areas uninhabitable and contaminate water supplies and agricultural land. The geopolitical tension and proliferation of nuclear arsenals make this scenario a persistent threat that requires international cooperation and disarmament efforts to mitigate. Climate change. We'll examine how accelerated climate change, primarily driven by human activities such as deforestation, fossil fuel combustion, and industrial processes, is altering our planet, potentially leading to catastrophic outcomes for human survival. The rapid changes in our climate system are manifesting through more frequent and severe weather events, such as hurricanes, heat waves, and droughts, which in turn cause widespread destruction, economic damage, and loss of life. Sea level rise threatens to inundate coastal cities and disrupt millions of lives, while the collapse of ecosystems, such as coral reefs and rainforests, jeopardizes biodiversity and the services these systems provide, such as food, clean water, and air. The challenge is monumental and requires global policy changes and innovative solutions to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and adapt to changing climatic conditions. Biological threats. Advancements in biotechnology and life sciences have revolutionized medicine and agriculture, but they also come with significant risks. The potential for creating new pathogens, either accidentally in a lab setting or intentionally as biological weapons, poses a stark threat to global health. We'll explore the dual-use nature of biological research, where the same technologies used to edit genes and fight diseases can also be manipulated to develop novel pathogens. The ease of disseminating biological agents and the difficulty in controlling disease spread make this a formidable challenge. Safeguards, ethical standards, and international oversight are crucial to prevent outbreaks of engineered diseases and ensure that biotechnological advancements do not outpace our ability to control their effects. Part 3. Theoretical and speculative extinction scenarios. While some threats to our existence are well researched and understood, others might seem straight out of a science fiction novel. However, these speculative scenarios provide valuable insights into potential risks that could challenge our survival. Let's dive into a couple of these possibilities. Technological singularity. Imagine a future where artificial intelligence, AI, surpasses human intelligence. This is what we call the technological singularity, a point where AI can improve itself rapidly without human intervention. This scenario could potentially lead to human obsolescence or even conflict. AI developing autonomous goals that do not align with human ethics or survival could take control of various systems, from our global economy to military defenses. It's crucial to discuss the ethical boundaries and safety measures that need to be in place as AI technology advances. Resource depletion and societal collapse. Another critical scenario involves the depletion of Earth's natural resources, driven by overconsumption, population growth, and unsustainable practices. If we continue down this path, we could face severe shortages of vital resources like water, minerals, and fertile land. This could lead to economic hardships, social unrest, and conflicts over what remains. Today's discussion will focus on the sustainability challenges we face and the urgent need for more efficient resource management. We'll talk about adopting renewable energy sources, transitioning to sustainable agricultural practices, and embracing technological innovations that could help us manage our resources better and avoid societal collapse. As we've explored today, the possible ways humanity could face extinction range from natural disasters beyond our control to the consequences of our own actions and technologies. Each scenario, whether it's the impact of a massive asteroid, a supervolcanic eruption, the threat of nuclear war, or the unpredictable consequences of artificial intelligence, poses unique challenges and requires our careful attention and proactive management. Understanding these existential threats is not just about fostering awareness, it's about spurring action. We must harness the best of our scientific and technological advancements to develop safeguards and strategies that protect not just our present day, but secure a future for generations to come. This involves international cooperation, robust policymaking, and an engaged public that is informed about the risks and the measures needed to mitigate them. Let's continue this conversation, not only here but in our communities and throughout our networks. Discuss these issues, support research in these areas, and advocate for policies that aim to safeguard our planet and our species. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more thought-provoking content. Share your thoughts and any topics you'd like us to cover next in the comments below. Remember, understanding our vulnerabilities is the first step toward protecting our future. Stay curious and take action towards a sustainable and secure world.